in the fuck are you guys doing today? So today, we got a doozy on our hands. This is actually a really simple project, but this has been me fucking with this thing for 3 fucking days. And, you know, so I thought that this was important because this is kind of like a known fault issue on a Peterbilt 567. At least that's what I hope I got it narrowed down to. So today we have to change the coolant bottle, okay? And what the coolant bottle has in it is it has this little sensor and it has a metal float. Well, apparently the metal float rides on like a plastic thing in there, and then what happens is the metal float gets hung up and it tells the ECM that the coolant is low when it is not low, okay? And the fucking thing beeps and goes all kinds of crazy and all that shit. So today we are going to suck this coolant bottle out. I got this new John Dowd thing down here, you know, the old big vacuum pumper. So I'm gonna get it up there with you guys. As you can tell, I got the hoses crimped off the best that I can, and then we're gonna pump this out really quick. I'll get you guys moved up here so you guys can see, but I thought it'd be a cool little project to bring you along on. You know, when in doubt, get this big John Dowd fucking thing here. You know. But anyway, oh, that's how that goes. Oh, that's nice. How does... Okay, pro tip, locks in there. So let me get this hooked up here. Alrighty, just show you vacuuming this out. I figured this is the cleanest and easiest way to get this out of there. So we'll pump this down. Oh god, now the fucking... holy shit, this thing works fucking great. See, right there is when it tells you it should be down. So we gotta keep shoving this in there and vacuum all this out. Hopefully the compressor stops running. Alright, tuck that up out of our way. Alright, now let's see how much coolant we get when we pull this off. Oh, still a bunch in there. Oh shit. Oh boy. That was not good. I didn't think there was going to be that much left in there. Alright, let me get this pumped down so we can... Oh, I only got another clip. Okay. Oh boy. See if we can suck some of this stuff off the floor here. Oh boy. That's not sealed off. Hold on. Shit. Alrighty, let's get another one of these on there and see what we can do. Oh, that's why. Holy shit! Justin, why do you have two of everything? Well, there you go. Alrighty, now we're gonna climb up here and I'll show you what you gotta do to take off all this bottle and all that shit. Okay, now that we're up here on top of the truck, what you wanna do is give her the old reach around there and oh shit. Okay, we wanna unplug that. Tuck that out of the way. Now what we want to do is pull this thing out of the way. So how this works is inside this bottle there's a metal float, and then this changes resistance to wherever that float is. And like apparently they've been having problems with these getting hung up and all that shit. So, you know, what do I know? Now, there's only 2 bolts on that, and it's just, it's a 15 millimeter to let you know. And I'm going to use this ratchet. Set that over there. Alright, move all this out of the way. See if we can pull this off. Oh yeah, these Mac long pliers, this shit. Okay, so now that we got that off there, that's all that's in there. And this is where supposedly that metal float gets hung up. Oh yeah. So that's the coolant bottle. So now all we got to do is call Peterbilt and tell them to deliver us goddamn coolant bottle, and we'll go from there. So I'll be back when we get it back here. I'll put it on. I'll show it to you what's going on, and hopefully we got this problem fixed. Alrighty, by the power of YouTube, we got our new tank in here, and what you can hear, I don't know if you can hear that, but there's a magnet in there that we're trying to fix, and I can hear the magnet running in there. So we gotta put all this back together. Alrighty. Go ahead and start our bolts. This isn't too bad of a project here, YouTube. Now the next thing we have to do, oh, come on. Jesus. I didn't know I was going to need a pry bar. Come on. Oh, it's not good. Don't line up real well. All right, got that one. See, I don't like how that one lined up. All righty, there we go. Just a little snug. Oh yeah, a little snug. Now what we got to do is put our overflow tube on there. Maybe got that one on there. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Get out our pliers. Squeeze that. I hate these type of clamps. I don't know if you guys hate them, but I hate these like spring-loaded pieces of shit. There we go. Alrighty, get the bottom one on here. You guys can see that, but there we are. Now this is the hard fucking part, because they got all this shit in the fucking way. Oh, come on. Okay, so we got that back on there. All right, let's pull this off. Didn't fuck up our hose. All right, now they got I don't know what this does, but somebody put it on there, so we're gonna put that on there. Open this. Let me come down off here for a second. What I can tell you is it came with a new one of those, so we're gonna keep this one. Alrighty. Alrighty, like I said, this tank came with a new one, so we got to get that one off there, that one off there. Now we got to fill this up with coolant. Now, what I got here is for all the weekend warriors, you know, the old YouTube comment gobblers. They're like, why don't you use an air-operated thing? Why are you pouring it in with fucking bottles? You know? Well, I got one. So this video, I decided to use that. Let's go ahead and fill this up. Now, what we're going to have to do is build this up to operating temperature. and get it to gurgle out. So it's probably going to take a couple times of filling this and letting it run through and all bubble out and everything. Slow down here just a second. All right. That's probably good for the first initial startup. So let's tighten that back up. Now this is easily a job like I was saying, this is easily a job you could do. You know, you can see it didn't take very many tools or anything. Okay, let's get that closed on there. All right. Now, that project's pretty much finished. We got that filled up. So what I'm going to do is go start the truck, let it run for 15 minutes, let it burble all this stuff out of there, just to double check that I got it all the way full and all that stuff. And hopefully the float won't get stuck and keep telling us that we have that we're low on coolant when obviously we're not. Then it sets a fucking, you know, it's got a check engine light, all the bullshit. But like always, guys, check out Facebook, Instagram, Patreon, all that bullshit. And like always, thanks for watching. I gotta fucking go.